Okay, RTOS. RTOS is a real-time operating system. It's a software component. That RTOS. That embedded system having basically three components. One is hardware, another one is software, and third one is real-time operating system. So, what is embedded basically? Embedded is embed with another thing. Here, software embedded to hardware and with real-time monitoring system. That means it has there's another uh, application for controlling software using hardware, that is RTOS, real-time monitoring system. Okay, so why use on RTOS? So a priority-based scheduling, which there are multi-process or multi-applications are running simultaneously. It means that more than one or more than uh, depends upon the hardware, the specification. So number of applications running that will be monitored by RTOS. Also, that RTOS given priority schedule to that particular application. So the RTOS is a task-based system or design. So also it interdependency between all the modules. So RTOS, there is no time wastage on processing because everything is scheduled by RTOS. So there is no time wastage. Uh, then component of RTOS. So the scheduler, function library, fast dispatch latency, user defined data objects and classes, memory management, symmetric multiprocessing. So these are components of RTOS. So what is scheduler? So this is a component of RTOS. It can execute it, which is generally based on the priority. So the scheduler executed based on the priority and symmetric microprocessing SMP. So number of multiple different tasks that can be handled by RTOS. So number of multiple different tasks that can be handled by RTOS. So the parallel processing can be or also be done. The function library. So that's an important element of RTOS. So this functional element, uh, this is the application given a desired result. So based on that functional library, you know, uh, library means is already stored some application uh, code. That means if you want, for example, you C++ program, you might be call that void function, you know so is already in the library, then you are just calling. If you want to use number function or addition or ALU, you have to add some kind of mathematical calculation, you have to use some void mathematic like that. So similarly here also they having functional library. So this function library having the code, so this is mainly used for to get the desired result. And memory management, so this element is needed in the system to allocate memory to every program, which is the most important element of RTOS. And fast dispatch latency. So it's an interval between termination of the task can be identified. Um, so the fast dispatch latency. So user defined data objects. That RTOI system make use of programming language like C, C++. So which should be organized and according to their operations. So what are the types of RTOS? And this is very interesting. Hard real time, firm real time, soft real time. Hard real time. So they already we know that RTOS given scheduling and priority to particular applications. Those are running parallelly in embedded system. So in RTOS, the deadline is handled very strictly, which means that given task must to start executing on specified scheduling time and must be completed within assigned the time duration. That means, the task should be completed within the time duration. So they following very strictly and handled very strictly in hardly real time type of RTOS. The example is medical critical care system, aircraft system. So there, that is very important. Timeline is very important. So the medical, that's a life based. Then aircraft, that is so many based. So the hard real time, that is, we need to follow strict uh, to the rule. The farm real time, this is a type of RTOS also need to follow deadlines. However, missing a deadline may not have big impact. Here also they following deadline, but that is not affect, the big impact, but it is undesired effect. Actually this is undesired effect because the deadline is missed. That is, it is not good, but it won't be give much impact. The hard real time having much impact compared to that one. This is not given much impact. For example, multimedia applications, if you missed the deadline, then it might be reduce the quality, but it won't affect the total product or any lives or something. And soft real time, it accept the delay, uh, small amount of delay also it is acceptable, and deadlines are handled softly, where that's online transaction, live stock price quotation system. So there they have followed very softly. They handle the deadlines, because if they handle harshly, might be you might lost your money. So that online transaction and livestock price quotation system, so everywhere you have to handle very softly. So this is a type of RTOIs. So the remaining video we will see in next class, next video. Thank you.